Hi everybody, Missybeelondon here, and I'm going to be doing the January's Glossybox. Just going to open the box for you right now and let's see what's inside. As you can see, the leaflet with information on top. I'm undoing the ribbon and I will show you the leaflet information close up to the camera so you can stop the video and read it. That's why I did this. Even though I will be saying what each product is, there is more information on the leaflet / card. Yeah, I'm pretty slow on this bit, but I had to be slow so the camera will pick it up. There you go. I think I've nearly finished this bit now. And let's open the box, or let's open the packaging to see what's inside the box. The first item I will pick up will be the Antvard Skincare Deluxe Hydrochloric Acid Phytifying Face and Eye Night Cream. Retail price is £98. It is full size as well. Good tip, apply this cream on damp skin. Second product is the 417 Facial Micro Lifter Foaming Gel. Retail price £22.71. This is not full size, but hey, this will be useful to cleanse my face. So I can't wait to see if it really does foam as well. It's a gel. Third item is the Wonder Wand Liner. It's an eyeliner. I don't use eyeliners, hence why I didn't open it, because I can give it away or I can sell it. Not too fussed about eyeliners here. The next one is the Husk Repairing Deep Conditioning Treatment made with bamboo oil for your hair. Yes, your lovely hair, and it costs £2.49. It's a good size sachet, but don't really think I'm going to use it, to be honest, because I've got so much other hair products to use. But yeah, it looks alright. And the last item is the Maybelline Dream Blender Foundation Sponge. Would you believe that it's latex free and it's washable as well? You know, I'm not really big on makeup, but when I do get back into makeup, I will try this, and I like this, and it costs £4.99 as well. So yeah, just checking the box, making sure nothing else is in there. There was 5 items in this box. Hope to enjoy. What did you get in your box? Did you get the same items or were they different? Do you like your glossy box, or do you prefer another beauty box? But yeah, this is it, a quick little video of me unboxing January's glossy box. Yeah, I did this style this time because I wasn't in the mood to do face to face or face to camera, so oh well. And here are my 3 favorite products in this box: the foaming gel for your face, the face and eye cream, and the beauty blender. And this is just a clip of all the items I got. Thank you for watching. Come back again next month to see the unboxing for February's glossy box. See you later. Goodbye.